Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to another week and welcome to our English language class. I'm your Shatabdi ma'am. So last week I gave you a homework to be done in your homework copy. And today I'll give you the answers. I've already given the answers in the left hand side and I'll read out the answers for you. Let's start. Filling the blanks with do, does or did. Number 1. Do you want to play? Number 2. He did not revise his lesson today. Number 3. She did her work yesterday. Number 4. Do you like fish? Number 5. Did the school close earlier last week? Number 6. Does Pujit like playing cricket? Number 7. Did he say what he was doing? Number 8. Most of the time she does like to eat her breakfast. Number 9. Did they like the food you prepared for them? Number 10. Do you really want to know the reason? Number 11. What does your sister do? Number 12. Did Sam fly to Rome? So, these are the answers. Sometimes you will find that sentences do not have a question mark. So, these are the sentences where the helping verb are in between. They don't start with the helping verb. So they are not a part of the interrogative sentence. Okay? Don't get confused with it. Don't keep on asking, ma'am, they don't have a question mark. No, few sentences do not have. Okay? Next is, we'll quickly revise what is interrogative sentence from the beginning, what we have done. So we have WH questions and families. We have helping verbs, family. So we have two ways where we can make interrogative sentence. Like an interrogative sentence, ask questions. It ends with a question mark. May I borrow your newspaper? Yes, you may borrow my newspaper, or no. Did you turn the light off? Yes, I turned the light off. No, I did not turn the light off. Understand, I'm giving you two answers to it. Yes and no. Okay. What is your favorite song? So it's again a WH question. Do you ride the bus? Yes, I do ride the bus. No, I do not ride the bus. So again a two-way question. Have you ever visited New York City? Yes, I have visited. No, I have not visited. So there are two questions in each sentence apart from what is your favorite song. So interrogative sentences can be of two form, that is yes or no in an answer. So we will move on to our next chapter, which is chapter number 5, which is questions and answers. We'll see a little bit of more of examples. So yes or no interrogative. Yes or no interrogative are questions that can be answered with a yes or a no response. Okay? You probably ask or are asked these questions every day. So, yes or no are questions which we answer with yes or no answer. Which we answer with yes or no answer. For example, did you go to school today? Yes, I went to school today. No, I did not go to school today. So, I am getting both answers. I am getting two answers. That is yes, with one answer with yes, the other one with no. So, yes, no interrogatives are the questions that can only be answered with a yes answer or a no answer. Okay? You get two answers and both are correct. It depends on the situation you are. It depends on whether you have done it or not. Okay. Have you eaten your breakfast? Everybody will say, yes, I have eaten our breakfast. But many of them will not. And now, may not have eaten their breakfast, so they will eat. So what will you reply if you have not eaten? So I have not eaten my breakfast yet. Both answers are correct. We'll see the examples. Did you take your medicine this morning? Yes, I took my medicine this morning. No, I forgot my medicine. So both ways you can answer. Do you have your homework ready? Yes, I have my homework ready, or no, I don't have my homework with me. Are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready to go. No, I'm not ready to go. I'm feeling very lazy now. Is your brother home? Is your brother home? No, my brother is not at home. Yes, my brother is at home. Okay, so you give two-way answers. That is with a yes answer, another with a no answer. Open to page number 12 in your book. If you cannot follow the slide here, that ma'am it is not visible and all, please open the book page number 12. Everybody, when I am reading with you, here are few questions and answers to be read for you. Examples. So let us do the examples first. Write down chapter number 5. Write down today's date 11/5/2020, and we will be doing question and answers chapter number 5. Read the following questions and answers. Number 1. Is he tired? Yes, he is tired. No, he is not tired. Are you well? Yes, I am well. No, I am not well. So two-way answer. You can see that. Are you not feeling well? Yes, I am not feeling well. No, I am feeling well. Was he absent on Monday? Yes, he was absent on Monday. No, he was not absent on Monday. Were you present there? Yes, I was present there. No, I was not present there. Does your sister sing? Yes, she does. No, she does not. Do you like milk? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you dance? Yes, I do dance. No, I don't dance. How has Shweta gone to the park? Yes, she has. No, she has not. Number 10. Will you lend me your pen? Yes, I will. No, I will not. So, these all 10 sentences, 10 questions are having two answers, one with yes and the other one with no. Okay, now check the questions once more. You will be seeing that all the words which are starting, see, is, are, was, were, does, do, has, will, all are helping verbs. So remember, children, when you are doing interrogative sentences, your questions will always be with a helping verb or auxiliary verb and with WH questions. Is that clear? Yes. So we will do the lesson. We'll further do the lesson next day. We'll do the work exercise on page 13 the next day. Please don't do it at home and keep it. I will do it to the next day with you, and then we will move on to the next chapter. Okay, thank you for today. I hope you are taking care of yourself and you are also studying and doing all the lessons of all the subjects. Okay, don't lag behind and don't put the work that I will do afterwards. Okay, don't do that. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.